Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but here's a quick update on the cab over, so check it out.
So this is just raw umber by itself, so it has this kind of dingy color to it. But
it tones it down. So basically what we're doing right now is there's a process to doing this paint. It's the same process pretty much we do every time when Travis is applying different layers to this thing. No mix is ever the same. Everything that we do is like a mix and we just shoot it, see what it looks like. But there's paint it one color, which was silver. Then we overlay it with some black and airbrush the rivets and then come back and airbrush it again. So there's a lot of process here to make this happen. But when it's done, it'll look real. Like it looks like, it's almost too good to be true real. I don't know how to explain it, but usually when you see it, it's more than what it would be if it was an original patina. It's really hard to find one that, every once in a while you'll see a truck that is an original one, and those are, they're like finding gold. If you can find out all the fenders, the hood, everything matches. But we decided to just do it all one color, add what we want to it, and make it blend with the bed. It's real iron. The bed's all iron. We want the cab to look iron. That's why we added these rivets in here. These trucks come factory from here to here with a rubber pad for your feet. We got rid of it because it was old and crusty. We added rivets in the holes that were there and then just continued the rivet pattern down here and there. And it just kind of looks cool. It's subtle, it's not overdone, it looks really good. This is where we're at right now. Probably gonna be another week or half a week of adding colors. It'll change, things are gonna change. It won't stay like this all, you know, it's for the most part, this is what it's gonna look like, but a lot of detail now goes into it. It's fun to watch them come to life, you know? It went from a red old fire truck to this mean, sinister looking truck. And that's what we're looking for. We still got to put the visor on it. Once the visor goes on with rivets in it, it's gonna look good.